Hey everyone, welcome to week 3. Just wanted to let you know, thank you very much for, sticking through it and doing the work. I will be grading all of your quizzes as soon as humanly possible, realistically within the next couple days. As of time of recording and doing this, I just finished up the lecture video for this week, so I wanted to let you know it's a long lecture video. It's well over an hour and a half, so I'm going to tell you, break it up into pieces. It's going to be a big video. Take your time, pause it, come back to it. Take your time. There's a lot of content to talk about because we talk about the roles of police and the limits that police officers have. We also talk a little bit about the individual rights that citizens have. It's all connected to this conversation. But know that there's a long, long lecture, okay? That being said, this week, lecture, quiz, like you've had for the first 2 weeks, okay? Next week, week 4, is our midterm week. That's the middle of the semester. At the end of week 4, you will have to complete your midterm exam. Midterm will only cover content through this week. So weeks 1, 2, and 3 will be the midterm, okay? Not week 4. Week 4 is investigations. We'll talk about it next week. Investigations, you'll also have, you won't have a quiz, but you'll have your first analysis of a crime scene assignment. That'll be separate. That is on for next week. But the main focus for next week is your midterm. So you're still going to have the lecture video. You're still going to have the notes. You're still going to have all this other stuff. But my focus for you that I want you to spend your time on first is on the actual midterm, okay? So, by the time you turn in your quiz for this week, the third quiz, I am going to make sure that by Wednesday, next week Wednesday, when the week begins, I'm going to try to have every single quiz 3 graded by the end of Wednesday next week. The idea is that you are going to have questions from all of your quizzes from 1 through 3 show up on the midterm. So you can learn from the questions. You can learn from your mistakes. You can learn from what you got right. That kind of idea. Okay? So, next week is midterm. This week, quiz 3. I want you to just focus on the quiz, focus on the lectures, and start gathering your content knowing that you are going to be taking a midterm next week. Okay? That being said, thank you very much. If you need help, if you need to talk through some of the concepts that we talk about either this week or in the previous weeks, please reach out to me. Send me an email. I check my email all the time. I really do. The other thing is we do have Andrea Campbell is our student success coach. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word right now, but the student success coach, she's our student success coach. She's reached out to me and said, hey, is there any students that need help? I haven't received anything from you, so I don't know. But please, if you need help, reach out to Andrea, reach out to me. We'll be glad to help you through this. But yeah, outside of that, thanks for sticking with it. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. If I don't scare you off by this week's lecture and you decide not to come back, which I really hope that's not the case. It's just long. There's a lot of stuff going on. But anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.